Interlock fingers. Inhale and stretch the arms upwards. Maintain the position. Exhale, bend on right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, place interlocked palms on the head. Inhale, stretch the arms and heels up. Relax and maintain the position. Exhale, bring the heels down and release the interlock of the fingers. Come back to starting position. Raise the arms by the side, up to the shoulder level. Place the fingers on the respective shoulders. Rotate both elbows in a clockwise direction for 3 rounds. Do the same in an anti-clockwise direction for 3 rounds. Slide and cross both the arms behind the head. Keep the spine straight and relax. Inhale, stretch the arms. Exhale, bring them down. Relax. Spread the leg 2 feet apart. Raise both the arms to the chest level and parallel to each other. Exhale, twist the body towards the right side. Inhale and come back. Exhale, twist the body towards the left side. Inhale and come back. Exhale, bring the arms down. Place the fingers on the waist. Keep the arms parallel to each other. Inhale and bend backwards. Maintain with normal breathing. Exhale, come back. Inhale, raise the arms upwards. Stretch up the body from the waist. Exhale, bend forward and place the palms on the floor under the shoulders. Relax and maintain the position. Inhale, come up to the upright position and stretch the arms above the head. Exhale, bring the arms down. And legs together. Deep breathing for 3 times and relax. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep the spine and head straight. Place the left hand in Jnana Mudra and the right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Close the right nostril and inhale through left nostril. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. This is 1 round of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Repeat. Bring the right hand down in Jnana Mudra. Relax. Keep both hands in Jnana Mudra on the respective knees. Inhale deeply through the nose. While exhaling, make a deep, steady humming bee sound. Repeat. Dhyana. Adopt Dhyana Mudra. Keep the back and neck straight and relax. Observe the breathing. Meditate. Now join the palms together in Namaskara Mudra and relax.